Is your Mac facing the print queue stuck issue and don't know how to clear it? This usually happens when too many print jobs pile up or due to a small software error with your printer or Mac. But you don't need to worry because fix is actually a lot simpler if you know the right steps. In this video, you'll learn the simple solution to clear the issue and get your printer printing smoothly again. Also, you can call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one expert guidance if you need more help. Now, let's get started with the solutions.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Clear print queue for your printer. Click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences to open it up. Once you're inside System Preferences, look for the Printers and Scanners option and click on it. Now, on the left side of the window, you'll see a list of printers connected to your Mac. Go ahead and select your printer from the list and then click on the Open Print Queue button to see all the pending print jobs. Once the print queue is open, you'll see the documents stuck waiting to print. Simply click on the Cancel icon next to each job to clear it from the queue. If your print queue issue is not gone after trying the first solution, then let's move on to the next solution. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel if these solutions fixed your issue. Cancel the print jobs from the terminal. First of all, you should close all scanning apps that might be open on your Mac. Next, take a look on the top right corner of the Mac's screen and you'll spot a small magnifying glass icon. That's your Spotlight search. Go ahead and click on it to open it up. Once Spotlight opens, type Terminal and open it. In the terminal window, type cancel-a, that's C-A-N-C-E-L space A. Once you've typed that in, just hit the Enter key on your keyboard and let it run. Now, close the terminal window. Head over to your Mac and click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner. From the menu that appears, select Restart to boot your Mac.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.